Mm. 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 Mm.
Hello, friends!
My name is Hanika.
And my name is Kiwi. And welcome to Wandering Kusina! Guys, today we're making donuts.
Munchkins! To help us make this, please welcome Tito Mar.
And Tito Chong.
Hi guys, welcome to Wandering Kusina, and today we are going to be doing donuts, right?
Yeah.
Donuts.
Yeah, Munchkins.
You're okay? Alright. Guys, we're making donuts today, and obviously si Chef Mark ang marunong gumawa nito. And these kids have been requesting us to make these donuts. And Kaylee, how long have you asked us? Huh?
We didn't request you to make
I think it was
No.
in August.
Oh my God, you remembered? Yeah, see, exactly. Yeah, she has been requesting us to make these donuts and film it. So, ngayon, we're going to do these donuts with these kids. And Kaylee, are you happy now? We're going to make these donuts? Perfect. All right. Now,
Tito Mark, what are their
ingredients. Okay, what are the ingredients?
ingredients?
All right, Tito Mark will tell
Tito
us.
Mark, what are the ingredients?
So we have 220 ml of milk, warm milk.
Warm milk, okay.
1 and 3/4 flour.
1 and 3/4 cups of flour.
Yes. And
Okay.
1 pack of yeast.
Yes, so this kind of yeast, the mga ka-wonders, it's 11 grams. Do you know what the yeast? You know what the yeast does?
No.
The yeast actually makes
Makes it
the
sticky?
no, it makes it rise. This is actually a bacteria in a pack, a good bacteria that helps our flour rise. Okay,
So
this is usually used for baking. Then
So for our glaze, we need powdered sugar,
Ew.
butter, and powdered chocolate.
so what did just Tito Mark say?
Or
Powder sugar and
Powdered chocolate.
Butter. Okay, that's it, Milo baby. This is
I
chocolate.
call it Milo.
So first, you can put this one in the milk.
First step, we are going to pour all of it into this. Okay, pour it over here, Kaylee.
Then stir it, ate.
Stir it slowly.
slowly. That's like cornflakes.
Just stir it.
Or cereal.
Looks like blend cereal.
Yeah, same as how you do with the cereal. You just stir it.
So we need the empty bowl. We will put our flour,
I said, can I miss the flour?
and then our milk.
Our milk with the yeast.
I said, can I mix it ready?
Yeah, can I do that? You really did it, didn't you? Why?
Then mix it.
Okay.
Kaylee poured, but
Okay.
But I will mix. I said I will mix.
Kaylee poured, I
Hold it like this,
just
Kaylee.
stir. Tito Mark poured, and I am doing nothing. Just stir.
So
Hold
you
it
have to
up.
do that. You will do something.
Do like this.
Now
Since it's sticky, we could already make
we
donuts.
will mix
Okay.
it properly.
Because Kaylee did it.
Yeah, because I'm not strong enough. Wow.
Because you need to go in the gym.
I'm too young for that.
You were not. I even went in the gym, like with Tita before.
Sure.
Yeah.
Smells good.
Wait, let me smell.
We will rest this up to 2 hours.
So we will rest it for 2 hours. So that means we will come back at 5 p.m.
Okay.
So we will cover it, right? So we will cover it with a cloth.
It's so boring.
I
2
know.
hours.
But-
120 minutes.
Part of the process of cooking, it's always patience. Because you will have to make sure that you have patience. So we'll wait for
Okay.
it, okay?
Guys, we'll come back
After?
after 2 hours.
Yes, we'll come back after 2 hours.
I'll be patient for 2 hours and I'm losing my battle.
Okay guys, we'll come back after 2 hours para lutuin na natin to ating donuts.
Welcome back, guys. 2 hours is gone.
Yeah, 2 hours is over and we're back with our donut.
What? It's supposed to look like that.
Yes.
It doesn't look
So
like
we will
mine.
mix it. Okay, so go. Do like this, ate. Yeah, very good. By the side, very nice. Good job. Good job, baby. Good job. Okay,
Okay.
Kaylee's turn. Okay, finish the other sides, Kay. All right. While they're doing that, papainit po tayo ng oil.
Sides, the sides.
Sides. Finish this one, Kaylee. Good girl. Good girl.
Now, enough.
Okay, that's enough. Now I'm going to pour some oil now into our
Boiler?
pan.
I will put in zip bag.
Yes.
Even
Okay, so now we're going to put it on our sift bag.
Do you know how to make donuts?
No, just now, baby. Just now.
Now.
Yes. So now we've put all our donut inside the zip bag.
I thought it was enough.
Okay.
Should I
Now we
eat
have to
them?
remove all the air, I believe, inside.
Why?
Why?
Because we are going to squeeze it.
Okay.
What if there would be
You really
air?
did cut this?
Exactly. So you have these 4 corners of the bag, right?
Yeah.
So now we have placed the donut mixture at the other side. If you take it like this pointed part of the bag, we are going to cut this off, and that is where we are going to squeeze it out, and it will drop on the hot oil, and then that is going to be the donut or the munchkins. So once Tito Mark squeezes it, you will have to cut through the donut. Okay? Right?
like this.
Try. So Tito Mark is going to do that, and then
Cut it.
yes. Let's add more oil.
Why?
More oil and
Yeah,
it's
so because it has to float.
It's pretty floaty. It's not floating.
It's drowning.
It's floating.
It's
Okay na.
That's too much, Tito.
yes, that's enough. That one's enough.
Go. Cut it.
Good one.
Can you try now?
Next,
Auntie!
Lily.
Be careful not to touch
Careful.
the sides.
Don't cut the plastic, huh?
Okay.
Good one. My turn. Okay, one more.
I want to eat it.
They're like potatoes. Hash brown potato.
Hash brown potato.
Did you try the hash brown we made?
Nope.
Oh my god.
You serious? So let's wait until this gets golden brown, and some of it have become slowly golden brown, but it's not enough.
Guys, we are finished frying. We're going to make the glaze.
Glaze, yeah.
I want the pour.
Can you mix?
So now,
Can you mix?
now we have here a heated up butter, half cup of butter, and
Okay,
then
can I
almost 1 cup of castor sugar or powdered sugar. Slowly, put it down more. No,
Can I
down more.
mix? Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Slowly, Kay. Up, 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 up. Slowly. Up, up.
It's my favorite.
Let's continue mixing.
Continue.
Good job. Okay, like this. Oh, look at that. That's the glazing.
Now
I
we make
recognize it, please.
Two. You make the chocolate.
Okay, here we go.
Now, we have two mixtures. May dalawa po kaming mixture. The other one, we're going to put some
Hey.
dark chocolate.
Do you have more packs?
A little bit.
Wait!
So they won't eat it again.
No, not really.
Ew.
Oh my
It's
god.
not really dark. It's
Kind
not
of looks
really
like
bitter.
vomit.
It's sweet.
Okay. Dip
Let's see your
the
favorite.
Now, we'll have to dip the
Vanilla or
donuts. Okay. Oopsie.
Is that for sauce?
Yeah. Yes, this is not the glaze. Look at how the donut looks like.
You know what I'm going to do is like this.
You're fluffy.
You're supposed to roll it.
Yeah, go roll it.
like that.
And then make it dry.
Super.
Like first.
Oh my
I think
god.
I'm wrong. Tissue, please. I look like a hideous chocolate monster.
So this is how we're glazing the donuts. So basically glazing the donuts, it just has
I need tissue.
melted butter, caster sugar, and if you want to add some chocolate flavor, powdered chocolate. The sweet and powdered chocolate. Sa mga nagtatanong kung anong caster sugar, it's a powdered sugar or confectioneer. Ibang tawag niyan. Alrighty. While we're finishing this one, there you have it mga ka-wonders. This is our donut.
This is our donut balls. I hope you like this episode today. Donut ball.
I hope you like this video and don't forget to like.
Yes, thank you very much, Kaylee. And Hanika, you're still eating. I'm
Oh my
surprised we're
God.
doing the closing. All right. Thank you very much for watching. This is Wandering Kusina Junior Edition.
So guys, huwag nyo rin makalimutan mag-follow sa aming may Instagram din kami, Twitter, and Facebook.
Yes. Daghang salamat mga ka-wonders. And that's our episode for today, Donut Balls. And that's it. That's it for today, guys.
Ako si Mark.
Ako si Hanika.
Ako si Kiwi.
O ako si Chakoy. Daghang salamat, guys. Stay cool, stay safe.
And peace!